Original.
Rendezvous, yeah. Shorty, I'm trying to get with you, yeah. What you wanna do, yeah. Got it clear with
What's going on, guys? My name is Richard Coach. Today we're going to be vlogging and going to Washington DC for New Year's Eve and New Year's. Yeah, today's the 29th, right? Today's 30th. Yeah, today's the 30th, and I still to get packed, and I'm leaving it in like 10 minutes, so I'm gonna get packed.
When the night is over, my life is over. 'Cause I start thinking again about our time together. When the night is over, my life is over. 'Cause I start thinking again about our time together.
And yes, I'm going to Washington DC with just this many clothes. Because my backpack can't fit clothes. Because I have all my stuff in it. Meaning my laptop, mouse, power supply, no. The charger, headphones, and everything. My backpack is made for either like small school look, like a binder. Like a binder, like this big, or like a laptop. So yeah, I just gonna grab all my stuff. You see this.
About our time together.
It's snow. There's that snow. The It's so. Honestly, it's not that cold. It's gonna be cold as shit. It's not that cold. It's honestly not that cold. Yeah, it's honestly not that cold. We're going for 2 days. Okay. It's like, we're going for 2 days. Why do you need suitcases? Auntie Zell, how long are we going to DC for?
Until New Year's Day.
Exactly. So now why the two suitcases in the back?
Because one has PlayStation, half has PlayStation, half has clothes.
And then the rest of the stuff is
my
yours.
bag has, between my makeup and my curling irons and stuff like that, has half of that. And then, what else? The other bag has water and juice. and the other backpack is cables, chargers and stuff. Adele, you done?
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? This is just for us now. This is just for us now. Yeah, I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. That it feels right. Feels right.
Oh my god, look at this bed. Oh my god. I told you.
Never had to die. This is just a must. Put me in perspective. I'm the deepest in the club. Everybody tune in, but this is just for us now. We know I ain't ballin' yet. Pose one
What on the hell? Oh, this batch is
girl, let me see you hold it down. We gon' have a blast. Cause I just wanna know what you gonna do with all of that. Ain't gotta say a word.
This batch.
I know what's up.
So like, I'm taking this too.
Watch me rip it off.
What's in here?
You got me feeling love, even when it's going
Got you.
we gon' rip it off. Young shot caller, always been a baller. Know that you the one. I can feel it in my heart. Yeah, I won't stop
So
trying.
now next we do Wi-Fi.
I can see you and I.
Because you can never go wrong with Wi-Fi.
I need Wi-Fi to upload these vlogs. And do you agree? I think hotels outside of Virginia are focusing. Why they're focusing? So now she's gonna pick hotels outside of Virginia, but in Washington D.C., we're nowhere close to anything. Let's put it in the most urban part. Like, there's just buildings. There's nothing around.
These eyes.
So now, basically, we are just going around and doing random stuff. We're going to Chinatown, right?
Well, something in Connecticut Avenue. We're gonna go see what's there.
Yeah, so we're gonna walk to Connecticut Avenue, look around, try to get some food. And
Yes, I think that's the first thing. Cause I'm hungry too.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go get some food.
And then, well, we need to get Dylan first. Stay in the room.
We're walking.
It's missing 5 minutes. What? It's literally 5 minutes. We're gonna walk for 5 minutes. This makes sense, right? Gloves, skin, thing. It makes sense. No, honestly, I do this. Ice cream.
Barnabas Mimosa Saturdays on the 11 to 3. So tomorrow we can come here. And then late night drinks entering District Kitchen.
There's a pizza place.
Alright, so we start asking the kids, what do you want? And one person's coming out.
Which is not me. There's a McDonald's.
Let's see what this place looks like inside.
Where? What is
Spice
it?
rub ribeye steak.
Oh, steak.
Let's see what it looks like inside.
Hello.
Okay. Okay, so that's nice. Alright, so we know that.
Interesting.
McDonald's!
which is downstairs.
You can get what you want if you want.
There's a
some
Dunkin'
Lebanese
Donuts.
stuff worn at
There's everything over there. Yeah. Yeah, the restaurant.
Oh, look, Smithsonian National Zoo, National Cathedral.
So basically, you.
White rice? Just a little bit more. No. Sorry. No. I was going to see a little less. No, I was going to see a little less rice. That's okay. And then...
Turn drop the camera. I got it. Okay, we just got Chipotle. I'm holding the camera really weird. We just got Chipotle. There's Anthony Allen still. Oh, it's zoomed in. That's what's so blurry.
Chinese cuisine.
So now apparently Damien's here. Where?
Over here.
Eat 20 Bill.
Oh, hi. I heard you. Get off my hat.
Vlog. It's live.
Where's your shoes, boy?
Oh, hey!
Hello. Your one was bigger than ours. Huh?
it
And
is.
better. Hey, Vlogman, to take over. And welcome to my new vlog.
So there's parents here. So we're going to dinner. Going to dinner at the place. I don't know why I'm being so quiet. I'm being really quiet. Should probably be some more high energy stuff, but like it's kind of like it's not even late. It's like 7 o'clock. We're gonna go have dinner, all that stuff.
Oh, no, Carney, guys.
So now, if you guys enjoyed this vlog, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notifications so you guys are always notified of when I upload and install live streaming. I guess that's it. Peace.